Go ahead and lay down. Nestle into your favorite sleeping position. Big inhale, long, slow exhale. Let's begin with the breath. Big inhale, long, slow exhale. Find your rhythm, always with the exhale a little longer than the inhale. Settling the nervous system for sleep. You are here now at the precipice of sleep. It is welcoming, cleansing, a gift. Your sleep is a sanctuary where you may reside and restore your resilience for the next day. Everything here is peaceful. The mind may relax. Let us spend a moment of gratitude for the mind. Thank you, mind, for all you do. Thank you for keeping up with the endless list of to-do, for remembering all of the have done. Thank you, mind, for working tirelessly for me. And now together we rest. Mind and body as one, sinking into slumber. Only gentleness remains, pure acceptance. You have done your work for the day, and now give yourself permission to rest. Notice the breath. Big inhale. Long, slow exhale. As you drift away, quietly, sweetly, snuggling into the bed, listening and not listening at the same time. As you pass that liminal space into deep sleep. Big inhale. Long, slow exhale. When the mind wanders, turn back to the breath. Give over to the body. You are ready for sleep. You have done everything you need to do, and now is time to recharge your batteries, to cleanse and purify your brain in the way that only sleep does. Thank you, brain, for this self-cleaning operation. Thank you, brain, for dreaming. And may you remember the dreams that serve you. May your dreams be pure and sweet. May your dreams bring you comfort, resolution, and empowerment. Big inhale. Long, slow exhale. As we gently, gently become heavier and heavier, drifting away into the land of Nod. Peaceful, quiet, gentle, pure acceptance, pure recognition of the connection between mind, body, and spirit. We allow ourselves grace. We humbly surrender to closed eyes, relaxed body, gentle breathing, and drift away. And in your drifting, you are embraced, warmly cherished, and beloved. Feel the nourishment all around you, surrounding you, complete as the air, light, spectacular, gentle, humble, rest. Well-deserved rest. We are all going through so much, and we need our sleep so that we may meet the day with our best selves, rested, calm, ready to notice, to lead with the heart. And to do that, we sleep. Sleep deeply and well, my friend. Give over your body to stillness, calm. Restore resilience. Find gentle acceptance. Be one with your bed as you get heavier and heavier and filled with nothing but time to sleep. So you shall sleep the night through, or if you awaken, you will be able to fall back asleep easily because you are accepting, encouraging, and willing to fall into deep lullaby, held by our Mother Earth. Feel her gravity even now enveloping you in complete acceptance and love. For her, your life is but a blink. Your past, present, and future is but her now. Lean into this liberation and drift away. You are so welcome here in restful space, in complete abandon, to let go of all your worries and responsibilities and know that this time is granted only to sleep, only to rest, to know you are held and cherished by Mother Earth, to know your body is made for this. Your body thrives on restful sleep. And pass yourself over into this land of dreams. Welcome and nourish this space of nothing, safe blankness. Just close your eyes and rest.